Hey guys, it's me again. I'm here with my dog, Peters. Go say hi to YouTube. Come on, say hi. So yeah, that's my dog. So we're gonna do a little video with my dog. And maybe I'll show you my other fidget spinners. And spin I have one fidget spinner I didn't show you guys. So let's go get it. I'll be back right now. So I'm here again. I'm here with my fidget spinner. This one, if you guys want to trade, I'll do a trade for it. It's very good. It's metal and plastic, so you can do tricks with it. And yeah, so let's put this away. So here's my dog licking my pillow. Peters! So yeah, so sometimes he doesn't really like going in videos, but today he wants to because he came right away in my room and I picked him up, put him on my bed. So yeah. So if you guys like Pokemon, I'll show you my favorite cards. So first I have this huge tennis card. Can I put you down? I want to put you guys down. I have my Magearna EX, Pikachu EX, Moltres EX, Steelix EX Full Art, Mega Blastoise EX, Olden Day, I don't know this girl, Mewtwo, and Zygarde from Sun and Moon. He's a great card. If you can see, he does a lot of power. So if you guys want to do a trade for any of these cards, or if you want to buy them, my Mega Blastoise is, I'll put it for $12. So yeah, and it comes with 2 cases. So, and if you guys want, I'll be back. I'll forget. Sorry of that. I had to get my other Pokemon cards, guys. So I'll be back. I have a lot. And write down in the comment below if you want to trade or if you want some cards. And these cards are rare or like